Air compressor is a must-have tool at a job site and home garage because it can serve the significant job of fixing a flat tire besides spray painting, sandblasting, or cleaning up things. While buying one, you'll find a ton of air compressors from different brands. But every air compressor has different aspects and power alongside their specific purposes. In this video, we have wrapped up a list of 5 best air compressors that can accomplish your desired job. So without any more delay, let's enjoy the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Meet the BOSTITCH GHBT FP02012, which is a Pancake air compressor for intermittent uses. If you have a considerable budget, this 150 PSI compressor can be of value for you based on its brand reputation and quality. Its oil-free compressor has maximum tank storage of 150 PSI from its 6-gallon tank, with 2.6 SCFM delivered by its 90 PSI pump. Also, its high-efficiency motor allows easy startups in cold weather that saves you from hassle, and its 78.5 decibels operational noise level is suitable for a quiet work environment. Using the high flow regulator and couplers, this portable air compressor can maximize air tool performance. Luckily, it comes with a long life, oil-free lubrication system, and maintenance-free pump for convenient use. Overall, having a lightweight and smaller design, reliable startup, and less price, the BOSTITCH 02012 can take care of your occasional small jobs. Next on the list, the WEN 2202, which is one of the best-selling air compressors from the American brand WEN. If you're looking for a powerful air compressor at an ease of portability, this is a value for you. Equipped with a handle and pair of wheels, you can run around the air compressor wherever you need, so transportation just becomes faster with this compressor than its predecessors. Speaking of specs, this compressor provides airflow rates of 3.8 CFM at 90 PSI and 5 CFM at 40 PSI without any issue. Besides, its 20-gallon tank constructed with reinforced steel for absorbing a maximum pressure of 135 PSI. Moreover, it features an easy-to-reach quick drain valve, 1x4-inch NPT quick coupler, and 2 pressure gauges for monitoring your input and output precisely. Finally, with a movable design and 2-speed compression capacity, the WEN 2202 will offer you more than your expectations for the weekend projects. The PORTERCABLE C2002, a pancake-looking air compressor, will reduce your repairing fatigue and waste of space at the same time. Equipped with an oil-free system, the high-pressure design optimizes air tool performance, delivering 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI for a quick recovery time. As a bonus, you'll not need to check for maintenance at all. Then, at just 34 pounds, the C2002 is lightweight and portable enough for job site, workshop, or in-house use. This means it's a great choice for everything from installing trim to inflating air mattresses at one. The C2002 is powerful and efficient for its low amp 120-volt motor. Also, the motor starts easily in cold weather and it comes with an extension cord. And you can change the brush of the motor as well. So, with the leverage of extreme portability, long life, and maintenance efficiency, the PORTERCABLE C2002 will be the most user-friendly as its value. When it comes to tools, DEWALT wins most of the time for its durability. Following that, the DEWALT DWFP55126 can satisfy your interest by completing professional jobs with a portable pancake body. First, the air compressor is one of the quietest in its kind and with a 75 decibel noise level. Surprisingly, it can produce 165 max PSI through its 90 PSI pump while producing low sounds. Then the unit is equipped with an input and an output pressure gauge and a regulator knob to help you adjust to the challenge. Besides, it has a double universal coupler to support 2 users, which is quite convenient if you're working in a group. With this compressor, you would be able to inflate car and truck tires without waiting much while the unit builds pressure. Overall, the DEWALT 55126 is a worthy participant in the list of small yet powerful corded air compressors and makes its impression quite good. After all the value for user air compressors, let's have a look at our top pick, the Makita Mac 2400. It's a high-power compressor that makes itself overall best among all. Engineered with a big bore cylinder and piston, it provides faster recovery time for improved performance. Hence, the 4.2-gallon twin-stack tank sustains an operating pressure of 130 psi and delivers 4.8 CFM at 40 psi and 4.2 CFM at 90 psi, which is enough for 2 nailers. More importantly, its roll cage construction provides complete protection to withstand extreme job site environments, and ITO amp draw reduces incidences of trip breakers at startup. Comparing all the specs, the Makita Mac 2400 air compressor is considered a great option whether you're looking for an air compressor that capitalizes the inherent benefits, and it operates with a quiet noise level compared to its cousins. So that was all about the 5 best air compressors designed for job sites.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.